Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and what we're going to be looking at today is the profitability of mining Bitcoin Gold. But also in today's video we're going to be giving away 25 ZEMs as well, so stick around for that. This is part of the competition this year where we're giving away 2,500 ZEMs to all your YouTube subscribers. All you need to do is basically be a subscriber to this YouTube channel, click the bell icon to be alerted of new videos that we put up, and also leave a comment below this video to be included in tomorrow's ZEM giveaway. So that's all that you need to do. I hope that's quite makes sense. But don't forget, when you do comment, do not forget to actually include your ZEM wallet address. Otherwise, it's pretty pointless, okay? So make sure any comments that you leave below, any questions that you want to ask in those comments, make sure you leave your ZEM wallet address in there. So it's like this. I have decided that Mondays should now be mining Mondays here on Moocharoo Ninja. So every single Monday is going to be some sort of mining related topic because as you would have seen on Moocharoo.ninja and the investment portfolio, I think it's Kerberos investment fund that I had to put together for that American guy that offered me $50,000 to invest for him, that kind of upped my game in Bitcoin and made me start thinking a bit more professionally about how I was investing. And I restructured my entire portfolio, restructured the way that I was investing to make sure that I make more money, and from that is where this whole mining thing came from. So I started mining around that time, and I've recently been looking to mine Bitcoin Gold. So the way I've been mining Bitcoin Gold actually means that I make far more Bitcoin Gold than if I was mining Bitcoin Gold. Confused? You don't need to be. It's actually really simple. So let's take a look at Bitcoin Gold and how to mine more of it than if you were mining Bitcoin Gold. So here we go. This is Bitcoin Gold. I'm sure you don't need to show me to show you already. It is basically Bitcoin but without the ASIC mining. So ASIC mining is pretty looked down upon by some people, not everybody, because it kind of undecentralizes the network. So if everybody's mining on GPUs, it's a very decentralized model, and it's run by just normal everyday people. So everybody has a chance, everybody can get a piece of the cake. When it's ASIC miners, generally it's run by big corporations and governments and, you know, just people with lots and lots and lots of money, because it's not cheap to run ASIC miners. So if it's a cryptocurrency running on GPUs, it's generally thought to be a better, more socially accepted cryptocurrency by some, not everybody. Okay, so let's get into it. This site here is called Cryptozone, and on this site you can use it to find what are the most profitable coins to mine. And all you have to do is put in the GPUs that you're using. So for me, I've got a very small rig that I use to do this. It has just 2 GPUs, that's it. It is a 1080 Ti, a 1080 and a 1070 Ti. And once you have that, all you need to do is put in your energy cost. For me, it's 15 pence. I'm here in the UK. You can change it to whatever currency your local currency is. And then you click, you know, let's just put it on a 3-day average and calculate the results. And here we go. So this will now give us the results. The ones near the top, you know, about the top 3 or 4 fluctuate quite a lot with the price. So, you know, don't sort of just look at this and say you're going to make 94 pence per day. This is all the daily values there, and take that as that's 100% true, because the prices are up and down quite a lot. So today you might make that, tomorrow you might be making 5 pence. So just be wary. I've been looking for ones which are always near the top over the last couple of months, and over the last 2 months, one which has been making about 70 pence per day, so it would normally be about here, making about 70 pence per day, has been this one here called Snow Gem. And what I've been doing with the Snow Gem is basically cutting it in half every month. So at the end of each month, I will leave half in Snow Gem and take the other half onto an exchange and buy up Bitcoin Gold. Because the Bitcoin Gold was always, as you see now, it's about 34 cents. 34 pence, whereas I was getting 70 pence for the snow gem. So I would just mine the snow gem, change half of it into Bitcoin gold. So I was getting my full, as if I was mining Bitcoin gold, the full amount I'd have been getting anyway, just mining Bitcoin gold. But I've also got all this snow gem as well, you see. So it's a much smarter way to mine than just mining the coin that you like. You mine something that you make more money on, you take half of it, and then you buy the coin that you actually want. Now it's Snow Gem. Snow Gem, the reason why I picked that one, not just because it was worth twice what you was getting from Bitcoin Gold at the time, but also if you come over to our website Moocharoo Ninja and you go to the Masters area where we got some tools for research and analysis of cryptocurrencies, there's this section here. It's very, very popular. It's a whale fuel module. What we did is we wrote an algorithm a couple of months ago. We released a video explaining how some of that works. Basically, it checks all the coins on CoinMarketCap for the low cap coins with potential for absolutely massive returns, selected by our algorithm, verified by humans. That's right. So every single Sunday, what we were doing was just going through the results of the algorithm, picking the top 30, and these are basically, if the market caps went to $4 billion, then you would have made $1 million. Averaging your price to buy these coins is normally between around about $100 to $200. So we're talking big returns, big returns from these coins. But obviously these are the ones selected by the algorithm and then verified by us. So we'll go through and just check the coins, make sure that they're worthwhile to investments. One of those coins, I can't remember what day it was. See, we've got one there at the bottom, which is just up 651% already. Even though we're in this massive bear market right now, one of these coins is up 651%. It's just crazy. One of those coins in there was, I'm sure you've guessed it, Snow Gem, right? So that's why I wanted to mine Snow Gem, taking half out, half to go into Bitcoin Gold, and then keeping the other half as Snow Gem just in case it does get also massive returns from that as well. And then maybe taking some of them returns and putting it into Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold is of course a fantastic currency because it's basically the same as Bitcoin, only it's mined by GPUs rather than ASICs. What you can see is before, back in November last year, it was trading up to $1,000, up to $1,000. Now I think at that time when Bitcoin Gold was trading at $1,000, Bitcoin was around the $10,000 mark. So if Bitcoin, as many people suggest, one day goes to 100,000 or even 200,000, Bitcoin Gold could also be getting carried up to those figures as well, maybe around the sort of $10,000 mark. So here on the calculator, what I'm going to do is put in your $1,000 and then you divide that by the current cost, which is 20. So we're going to buy these at 20. So that gives you 50 Bitcoin Gold for your $1,000. Now, if Bitcoin Gold, once Bitcoin reaches 100,000 or 200,000, and Bitcoin Gold just happens to also get pulled up to about 10,000 at that point, so we times that by $10,000, which would be the new valuation. Maybe it could take 5 or 6 years for this to happen, but it's likely. It is likely. Then you've got yourself $500,000 for a $1,000 investment. So these big returns are definitely, I say definitely, but they're possible for sure in the future, particularly now that we've got all these big banks and financial institutions coming in with a load more money into the market. So Bitcoin Gold is one of my favorites. I don't particularly like ASIC miners myself. And so that's what I've been doing. However, what you may see there is you might be asking yourself, am I going to switch now that Snow Gem is underneath Bitcoin Gold? These charts are a little bit crazy. They do fluctuate from day to day. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to carry on mining Snow Gem for the next couple of days, checking on this website. If Bitcoin Gold after a couple of days time is still above the level of Snow Gem, I'm just going to switch out and start mining Bitcoin Gold. It all depends. Basically, what I would suggest is you just mine something which is more valuable than the coin that you actually want, and then trade in the amount so that you're still getting what you would have had if you were mining that coin, but you're getting something else as well. You know, a little cherry on the top for mining. And why not? In this market, mining isn't particularly successful, isn't particularly profitable, but you know, if you're thinking for more of a longer term play, then it will be eventually. So it is worthwhile, but you know, you're not going to cash it in and make a fortune just yet. And now it is time for the NEM giveaway. That's right, so now we're going to pick the winner for our 25 ZEMs, and we're picking the winner from the previous video. So there was only just over 50 comments on the previous video. However many of those are subscribers, that gives you a very good chance of actually winning this. So if you want to grab yourself some free NEMs, make sure you comment on this video today, now, and you'll be in with a chance to win 25 ZEMs tomorrow. As I said, there was only about 50 people commented on the last video, so you've got a very high chance of winning. Here we go. We got Mikhail Sokolov. He says, "Hello Moocharoo. The wallet address is..." So there you go. No questions asked. Just ready to win. Mikhail. Here we go. Copy that and head on over to the NEM wallet. Stick in Mikhail's wallet there. Now, if this was wrong, so see we've got a Y there at the end with now if we was going to change that end letter to something else, what you'd get is it would all come up in red because it's no longer valid and is not a valid email NEM address. So because it is a NEM address, we're also going to be sending him this message: "You're a winner, Moocharoo Ninja," and let's get on and send it. And when we hear the tinkle, like that, that means the message is sent. NEM is super fast. Already gone through already. So there we go. Mikhail, well done. You're a winner. If you want to be tomorrow's winner, just remember to subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and then leave a comment below. Hopefully maybe with a question in there, something that will we can answer in tomorrow's video. That's it, and that's it. Yeah, that is it. That is it for today. Yeah, that's definitely it. We shall see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment below. And hopefully you shall be a winner tomorrow.